Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. We are also very interested in everyone leveling up their jewelry business. Today, I am working with some clear acrylic that I have. I just cut some shapes and I decided to wrap some, and I also decided to do an experiment with putting the clear acrylic over on top of fabric, and I like the effect of it, so it's something that I'm gonna do again sometime. I attached the fabric by using a spray glue. I sprayed it on the acrylic, on the clear acrylic, and then I just attached the fabric to it. And then of course I cut it on my Glowforge laser. I also have some other fabrics that I wrapped using the clear acrylic as a base. So let's check it out. All right, good people, this is what we came up with. You know, I love fabric, and I had a chance to just play with some fabric today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We have over 700 videos, so check us out. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.